Hi guys, it's Pascal here, and I've got Felix and Temi. So they got questions they want to ask. So I hope you find them some interesting. So Felix, you go first.
All right, Pascal, the question I want to ask is, what is bothering me about this online business? I'm not that good in computer, operating
Tech issues.
tech issues. That is what I'm battling on. So, is it possible to me to, make it on this online thing, and I don't know much about computer? These are the questions I want to that is bothering me. I want to ask you. Please, can you put me through here?
It's giving you sleepless nights.
Honestly.
Don't worry, if you don't know this. So to answer your question is, it's possible. It's possible. You're actually looking at somebody that had that same tech issue
Yes.
that went through it. You probably don't know.
Yeah.
Now, this is like the secret. You have to come back to a child. They say the kingdom of God is for people like this when Jesus Christ was referring to children. What that meant is very simple. People that want open to learning. If you want to teach a child any language now, they're not gonna say no. Pick a 5-year-old child, start teaching them, they're not gonna say no to you. They want to learn this. They're not gonna pick, this is what I want to learn. It's we adults that behave that way. So if you want to create any change in your life, you have to get back to that mode. It's an advice from the Bible, not from me. So tell me here, when you started, do you know how to build a website?
No,
Let's give
I
us an
don't.
experience.
No, I don't. To be honest, I've never done one. I've never tried, and I've never done one. I have no idea what website is. I know the website, but I don't know what happened. But now I can tell you a lot about website, back office application. With the help of Pascal, and that's my mentor.
So how did you get from not knowing what a website is? Now you built a website.
Yeah.
And what how did you get through that journey? Because that's what he is.
Yeah, I was feeling the way you feeling then, but now with the process that was online, with the guides that I got, now I can break my website down. I can build it again. Yeah. It's very simple. It's not how we think it is. Yeah. It's not difficult at all. It's anybody can do it.
Yeah.
Anybody can do it.
So this man now is struggling.
Yeah.
What strategy will he give him? Advice?
Well, what I will tell you, Felix, is just follow the step. The step by steps on how to do website that you've showed us. You just have to follow the steps.
In how many days?
Well, it depends on your time limit. I've done it for about a week. My first website I did it for about 3 months. The second one I did it for about 2 weeks. The third one that I'm using now was by a week. But if I have to do it again, it will cost me about 1 or 2 days.
So what he's saying is very simple. You improve every time you do something. Because it doesn't take a lot. It's just the mindset that I will always recommend if you're starting new. If this is new to you, I'll recommend you to do 1 or 2 things every day. So like I shared with you, what I would recommend is say to yourself, you're not going to build the whole website. That's how I did the training. You're not going to build the whole thing in 1 day, in 1 month. No. I'm going to build 1 page only today. Maybe the first day is I'm going to just gather the pictures that will be on this page today, maybe 2 or 3 pictures, and I'm just going to build 1 page today. That's all. Then the next day, only 2 hours is enough. The next day you do the same thing. By the time you do this for 10 days, you have your website ready.
That's true.
That's good.
So the secret is just in breaking it down in a way your brain can process it.
Yes.
Because when you come in with that, this website is, so where do I start? No. Calm down. It's step by step.
Step by step.
1 or 2 things every day. Thanks, guys. I hope this helps.
Yeah, honestly,
Yeah.
thank
Anybody
you.
else?
It really helps me a lot. Thanks.
Thanks.